Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to fix laptop hotkeys not working on Windows 11. Laptop hotkeys are essential tools when trying to access basic functions on your device. They allow you to control your volume, adjust the brightness, keyboard backlighting, touchpad behavior and much more. However, your laptop can end up losing its functionality and efficiency in case your hotkeys stop working. You can use the methods mentioned in this video to fix your hotkeys. So the first method is to check for the OEM updates. If you have a dedicated keyboard utility managing your hotkeys in the background like Armory Crate service or the Synaptics utility, then you can try and update your drivers from your OEM website. If either of these utilities is broken or not working, then we recommend checking for the latest update or reinstalling the current version on your laptop. Use the links I given in the description to visit the support site for your OEM and check for the latest utility update. Once you found the correct one, download them to your local storage and install them on your laptop at the earliest. Now the second method is to ensure OEM utilities are working properly. If your OEM utility seems to be failing to work in the background, then here are a couple of troubleshooting methods to restore the functionality. The first thing you have to do is to go to the start, from there to the settings and then to the apps, and from here just move to the right pane and look for installed apps. Just open it. Now from here find the concerned app in the list and click on the three-dot menu icon beside it. In this case I have installed Armory Crate for hotkey. Just click on the three-dot button here on the right side and then click on Advanced option. Now follow one of the sections below depending on what you wish to do with the selected app. The first thing you can do is to enable the background functionality. For that, click on the drop-down menu under the background and app permissions and then select Power Optimized or Always. Power Optimized will allow the app to work in the background depending on your current power plan. And if you select Always, on the other hand, will give the app permission to stay active and working in the background irrespective of what power plan you use. Now the next thing you can do is to repair the app. For that, just scroll down to the bottom and click on Terminate the app. Just click on Terminate and then click on Repair. Now wait for the Windows to do its thing. Once a check mark shows up beside the option, it shows that the repair is complete and now you can launch the concerned app on your laptop. And if that doesn't solve the issue, then you have to reset your app. For that, again you have to terminate it and then click on Reset. The app will now be reset on your laptop, and I recommend you to restart your laptop for the good measure and try using the hotkey again. Once that is done, you can close down this window. And the next method is to update the drivers. For that, just click on Search and type Change Driver Installation Settings. You will get it here, Change Device Installation Settings. Just open it. Just select Yes, then click on Save Changes. Now wait for the Windows to enable driver updates for your laptop. For checking that, just go to the start, from there to the settings, and from there go to the update, and from here if you have any updates you will see it here. If not, then just click on Advanced option and click on Optional Update. If you have any updates related to the drivers, then it will be listed here and you can go ahead and update it for you. You can close down this window. Now the next method is to reinstall keyboard drivers. So let's start with reinstalling the generic keyboard drivers. For that, just right click on the Start and then select Device Manager. Now from here, just look for the keyboard, just expand it and just right click on the standard PS device keyboard. It will list the keyboard which you are using on your laptop. Then click on Properties. Now from here, just click on Change Settings. Now from here, just go to the driver section and then click on Update Driver. I will have the option to manually select it from the drive, or you can search for it automatically. Just select Search automatically for the drivers and see the best available drivers are installed for your keyboard. Now once that is done, just close down this window and close this device manager. Now the next method you can do is to disable the gaming mode. Gaming mode within Windows is known to cause issues on certain laptops. Microsoft's gaming mode has gotten smarter, and the mode automatically tries to apply the best peripheral settings for your gaming experience. This includes tweaking the audio, mouse settings, and enabling the keys for the games. So sometimes these settings can cause errors to the hotkeys. So to fix that, you have to disable the gaming mode. For that, just go to the start, from there to the settings. From there you have to go to the gaming, and then just click on game mode, and you have to disable the game mode here. That's it. Then you can close down this window. Now the next method you can try is to restart the HID services. You can also restart your HID services, which should help restart all the HID or human interface devices. This includes your keyboard, other hotkey devices too. So for that, just click on the search and type in services. Just open it. Now from here, just search for human interface devices. Just type in H. You'll get it here. You can see that the service is running right now. Right click on it. If you have an option to restart it, then you can restart it, or you can refresh it. Now we can close down this window. Now the next method is to disable filter keys. Filter keys are another culprit within Windows that is known to cause issues with many devices. However, if this feature has been enabled by mistake, then it would prevent Windows from detecting your hotkey inputs. So for solving that issue, just click on Start, and from there search for Control Panel and open it. Now from here, just look for Ease of Access Center.
Always scan this section.
Now just look for Make Keyboard Easier to Use. And now make sure that this option, Turn on Filter Keys, is not checked in. If that is checked in by mistake, then turn it off. And then click on Apply, and then click on OK.
Always scan this section.
Now the next method is to check the on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard within Windows can help you determine if your hotkeys have actually stopped working, or you are facing a software or a hardware issue. Now you can start by launching the on-screen keyboard on your laptop using the taskbar icon, or you can search for on-screen. You'll get it, on-screen keyboard here. Now try using a hotkey that does not use function keys on your keyboard, because function keys won't list on the on-screen keyboard. If all your keys seems to be registering with hotkeys working via the on-screen keyboard, then that indicates that there is a hardware issue with your keyboard. So it's better to contact the OEM people or the hardware support to solve the issue. If hotkeys still not working with your laptop, then that might indicate an issue with your Windows installation. So let's try fixing Windows system files. For that, just click on Start. From there, type in CMD and run the command prompt as administrator. Run the command sfc scan now. Windows will now scan and verify all of your system files and replace corrupted one. So wait till the process is complete. Now once that is done, the next thing you have to do is to run a DISM fixes to restore the Windows image. For that, just run the command that you see on the screen right now. I'll share it in the description, you can copy it from there. Now once that is done, you can close down this window. One more method you can try out is to uninstall any third-party tools. If you have any third-party tools customizing your keyboard, then it is recommended you disable or uninstall them at once. So these are the various ways in which you can fix the key issues with your laptop. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.